He had never said "I'm sorry" to his child before. He didn't think fathers were supposed to. Arjun grew up in a strict household. Mistakes were punished. Feelings were ignored. Apologies were never spoken. So when he became a father, he repeated what he knew. Firm voice, high expectations, no weakness. One evening, after a long day at work, his 7-year-old son spilled juice on the couch. Arjun exploded. "Why can't you be careful? Always careless." His son froze, then quietly said, "I didn't do it on purpose." But Arjun was too angry to listen. Later that night, Arjun walked past his son's room. He heard soft crying, not loud, just small, silent sobs. And something shifted. He remembered being that child, crying quietly, feeling small. He sat on the edge of the bed, and for the first time in his life, he said, "I was wrong. I'm sorry." His son looked shocked. "Really? Yes. I shouldn't have shouted like that." There was silence. Then his son hugged him tightly. That simple apology did more than fix a moment. It broke a generational pattern. Arjun realized something that night. Apologizing doesn't reduce authority. It increases trust. Children don't need perfect parents. They need accountable ones. From then on, Arjun still corrected behavior, but he also corrected himself. And something beautiful happened. His son began to say sorry more easily too, because children learn how to handle mistakes by watching us handle ours. And sometimes the strongest thing a parent can say is, "I made a mistake."